the hottest new exchange, BitswapDex.com. This is where you can find the absolute cheapest prices for any cryptocurrency that's on decentralized exchanges. Across 14 exchanges to find you the best price, the best bang for your buck. Combination of price and liquidity, you can always bet on Bitswap to give you the best. Today, I'm going to do a tutorial going to be showing you exactly why you should be using Bitswap and how to use it. We're also going to be talking about the highly anticipated BIT token and how you can get your hands on some today. Let's get it. Bitswap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, Bitswap gets you the very best price and value for your trades. Bitswap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.io. Okay guys, so I'm here on bitswapdex.com. Now what we're going to be showing you today is how BitswapDex works, how you can farm the BIT token, which will save on fees, and we're also going to be showing you guys how to find a contract address for a project. If you don't know how to find a coin, like if you go to, let's say, Uniswap, and you're looking for a specific coin, and let's say you type it in, and it doesn't come up, like let's say you're looking for KIT, it's not going to come up. So I'm going to show you guys how to find those as well. So what is Bitswap? Well, bitswapdex.com is where the landing page is, and then the app you open by hitting Launch App. Bitswap is a decentralized aggregator. What does that mean? That means that it crawls 14 decentralized exchanges, including Uniswap, Kyber, Mstable, Curve, ZeroRx, Balancer, and more to find you the very best price and the very best liquidity. Now, if you're looking for a teensy-weensy coin that may be a rug pull and it's only going to be available on Uniswap, then it doesn't make sense. But if your project you're looking for is on more than one exchange, which almost all the significant ones are, then you're going to want to use BitswapDex. It's also built on ZeroRx technology. I'm partnered with, and it's partnered with DexKit, also powered by DexKit. It's kind of cool it's built on ZeroRx technology because back in 2018, I was really bullish on ZeroRx, and it's turned out to do pretty well. I was really bullish because it was going to get listed on Coinbase back then, and as usual, I predicted that one correct. So guys, here's what we do. You're going to hit Launch App. Now, what I want to show you guys is what you're saving, okay? What you're saving when you actually use Bitswap, okay? So let's say we're looking for, we have 1 ETH, okay? And let's say we want to get, I'm telling you guys, I'm going to pick a random coin, totally random. I want to make sure it's a reputable one. Don't want it to be, you know, some no-name coin. Let's check out Ren. So we're going to use Ren here. With Bitswap, you get 1,654.94 Ren. If you come to Uniswap, let's try the same thing. We're going to type in 1 Ethereum, exactly the same, and let's type in Ren. All right, 1650. You get 1654.9 versus 1650.6. You are getting, for every 1 Ethereum you buy, you're getting 5.3 extra tokens just for using Bitswap. It's that easy. And we can do this with any coin. I mean, we go down this, we can go all day. Let's pick Ampleforth. Ampleforth, you're getting 482.25. For Ampleforth here, 480. So on Ampleforth, you're getting an extra 2 Ampleforth tokens every Ethereum you put in. And you can go all the way down the list. As long as it's a coin that's not only on Uniswap, you are going to get a much better deal by using Bitswap. Now, you can get an even better deal by using the BIT token. How do you get the BIT token? 2,500 BIT to receive a 90% discount on fees. Now, this is going to be the token launched by my community that we are going to be using as rewards for the Bit Squad, for everything that's BitBoy Crypto. You guys are going to get airdrops for buying NFTs, airdrops for being in my Telegram group and my Discord group. You guys are going to get rewards, or at least have the opportunity to get a lot of rewards in BIT token. This is a fun thing we're going to do. We'll see what it turns into. Of course, with no token sale, nothing like that. This isn't, you know, that kind of thing. okay? But what we can do is we can actually go to DexKit and we can farm BitToken right now. We're not doing the airdrops yet. We're starting with farming. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you get the BitToken, how you farm it. You have to get liquidity pool tokens for Ethereum and Kit. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap 1 Ethereum for Kit. Now, to get Kit, all you have to do is come here to the contract address. So you go to CoinGecko, you type the coin in, okay? Then you go to contract, you copy the contract address. This is how you would exchange anything. Come in here, paste the address, and boom. That's how you do it. So for 1 Ethereum, we're getting 1,286 tokens. So we're going to click swap. We're going to come here. We're going to always edit to get the highest. I love getting the highest. Wow. Fees are super expensive right now. Look at that. So we're going to save, hit confirm. Okay. Now we're going to wait for this to basically go through. It's going to pend here for just a few moments. After that, we're going to go to the liquidity pool and add the tokens to the liquidity pool. I'll show you how to do that here in just a second as soon as this gets done. Okay, so that just went through. It took about 2 minutes, a minute and a half, somewhere around there. We have our Kit tokens now. Now we have to add them to the liquidity pool. So go here to pool, hit add liquidity, okay? So what we want to do now is we want to select a token. We're going to use our Kit here, okay? So we want to put in 1 Ethereum. So you type 1 in right here and 1286. I'm actually going to only be able to put in, let's say, 0.98 because those fees are so high right now. So I'm going to put almost all my Kit in. So now I have to approve the transaction, go back to my MetaMask, always use the highest. I always use the highest. It's always worth the extra 20 cents to get it done quicker. So we have to approve it. Once we approve it, we're going to put it in. So let's let that go ahead and go through here. Okay, once that goes through, you're going to be able to hit supply. So hit supply. You're going to have to, once again, go through your dang MetaMask, prove it, confirm it. So now at this point, it should go through here in just a minute. Now, once this happens, we're going to be able to come over here to DexKit. We're going to have to connect our wallet. So we're going to connect our wallet with MetaMask. You're going to have to approve it. Always approving everything these days. View the address you're permitted. Okay, connecting. So it's going to connect. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to deposit my liquidity pool tokens. When you stake your Ethereum, when you stake your DexKit, it's going to automatically give you the liquidity pool tokens. As you guys can see here right now, it says your liquidity deposits unclaimed. Let's go ahead and hit deposit UniV2. Okay, so here it is, guys. It shows I have 34.6466 liquidity tokens to put in the pool. So we're going to hit that. We have to approve it the same way that we had to approve the other transactions. Okay, so it's already went through. It has been approved. Now we got to do is click deposit. Okay, let's go ahead and make that max so it goes through a little quicker. Hit confirm. Okay, now the transaction has been submitted. It's still showing pending in my MetaMask, but once it goes through, it's going to show my liquidity deposits. Okay, so now let's refresh the page. When we refresh the page, it should show our liquidity deposits in there. There it is. Boom. 34.6466 liquidity tokens, liquidity pool tokens. Now, what you got to understand about liquidity pool tokens is that they don't match the amount of anything, because we had 1 ETH, we had 1,280 Kit tokens, okay? We got 34.64 liquidity pool tokens. There's no rhyme or reason that I've found for what the percentage is, okay? But we already, as soon as we've put this, we already have 0.2294 bit tokens, okay? So in that quick, we've already got almost, almost a quarter of a token. At this rate, it shows I'll get 3,965 bit tokens a week. Now, if you remember looking at BitSwap Dex, you need 2,500 tokens to get a 66% reduction in your fees. So the fees are already super minimal, but they're even smaller when you have the bit tokens. Now, this is what, look at that, boom, 53.75. Here's what I'll tell you, okay? What I'll tell you is this. You can withdraw, you can claim and withdraw at any time, okay? But when you claim your tokens, okay? What's actually happening is you're going to have to go through a process to perform a gas transaction. It's going to take Ethereum to pull it out. So you don't want to just be pulling it out all the time. Pull it out once every couple days, once a week, whatever it is, and you will be set straight. So that's how you farm the Bit token with DexKit. That's how you use BitSwap. That is how, I hope you see the advantages of using BitSwap, and that is how you can actually, we also showed you how to use contract addresses to put them in to find them on exchanges. That's not just on BitSwap. That's all decentralized exchanges. You'll have to find those token contract addresses to get those low cap gems. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think about BitSwap. I know a lot of you guys are using it. We've already passed $1 million in volume. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.